What if Jupiter transformed into a second sun? Just imagine our solar system, illuminated not by one, but by two blazing spheres of light. The implications would be staggering, reshaping everything from our climate to the very fabric of life on Earth. Currently, Jupiter stands as the largest planet in our solar system, a massive gas giant with a swirling atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. It lacks the necessary fusion reactions to ignite as a star, yet its sheer size and gravitational pull have always provoked curiosity. What if that changed? Imagine this. Jupiter, after eons of existence, undergoes a stellar transformation, initiating nuclear fusion in its core. In an instant, it turns into a second sun. The moment it ignites, an explosion of light and heat radiates through the solar system, creating a spectacle unheard of in human history. The first wave of shock would unsettle Earth. Instantly, the balance of our orbital paths would shift, causing a reaction between the gravitational forces of both the Sun and this new star. An immediate sense of urgency would fill the world as scientists work to project what that means for our planet's orbit. As Earth's orbit gradually alters, our seasons will become erratic. Summer days could stretch into endless sunlight, while winter nights deepen beyond recognition. Humanity would grapple with new weather patterns. Storms may intensify, with hurricanes fueled by increased temperatures, leading to catastrophic changes in the climate. With the rising temperatures, ecosystems would face unprecedented challenges. The polar ice caps would melt at an alarming rate, leading to coastal cities flooding and forcing migratory patterns for countless species. Wildlife would adapt, evolve, or tragically perish, forever altering the biodiversity we currently treasure. Amidst this chaos, humanity would also see change. Agriculture would adapt to longer growing seasons, but also face new pests and unpredictable weather. Scientists and farmers would need to innovate to maintain food security, perhaps even moving towards vertical farming or genetically modified crops to withstand the new conditions. Socially, societies would evolve under these pressures. International collaboration may strengthen as humans face a common adversary, the environment. Countries might unite to combat the inevitable challenges, sharing knowledge and resources. Yet, amidst collaboration, fear and competition for dwindling resources could also fuel. But life would not simply adapt to chaos. New ecosystems would arise. Imagine rainforests flourishing in previously inhospitable areas, deserts blooming with life, and new species evolving to harness the power of two suns. Nature's resilience would manifest in astonishing ways, pushing the boundaries. Now, consider the human psyche. What would two suns mean for our culture, art, and science? The emotional weight of this cosmic change would inspire a new wave of creativity. Poets would write of endless light. Philosophers would ponder the implications of existence under a second sun, and scientists would be. Religious interpretations would shift too. Various beliefs might adapt, some viewing Jupiter's transformation as a divine sign, while others may grow skeptical of traditional views. New rituals and beliefs could emerge, connecting humanity more deeply to the universe and the celestial. Let's delve deeper. What if Jupiter's transformation prompted exploration beyond our current limits? Humanity, in its quest for survival, might look to colonize other planets or moons, inspired by the dual suns and the potential for diverse habitats across the solar system. We could see humanity on moons like Europa or Titan, terraforming them to create new habitats. Engineers and scientists would work tirelessly as we push the boundaries of our technology to make distant worlds habitable. Life as we know It would no longer be confined to Earth. Yet the question remains, what would the long-term effects be on our planet? The interplay of two suns might create complex gravitational dynamics, possibly leading to solar system instability. Or maybe we'd be gifted with a stable existence unlike anything we've experienced, drifting harmoniously through space. If our journey continues towards the unknown, we must consider the ethical questions of interstellar expansion. Who gets to inhabit a new world? How do we protect potential ecosystems existing on other planets? The moral dilemmas of exploration will challenge our values. We may also discover new life forms as we venture deeper into space. Alien civilizations could offer wisdom or conflict. Our understanding of life would expand, reshaping our ideology and forcing us to reconsider what it means to be human in juxtaposition to other senses. Returning to Earth, imagine cultural shifts in art and literature about our new sky. An entire generation could grow up under the watch of two suns, where songs and stories brim with themes of duality, coexistence, and the interstellar tapestry of life. As Jupiter burns brighter, technologies could advance exponentially. Solar power would take on new meaning, with two stars providing abundant energy for our needs, leading to a greener future that we never thought possible. However, there could be unseen consequences. Radiation levels might increase, putting human health at risk. Skin conditions, cancers, and psychological stresses could emerge as people grapple with the burdens of living beneath two suns. But even if there are challenges, humanity has always proven resilient. We adapt, innovate, and grow stronger together. Perhaps this new reality would spark a renaissance in human understanding, making us more compassionate stewards of our planet. The ultimate question looms. Would two suns unite or divide humanity? While we may face collective challenges, we also hold the potential for unprecedented unity, harmony, and growth. Perhaps our greatest strength lies in how we respond to these cosmic shifts. Imagine standing outside, looking up at two stars in the sky, their radiant glow illuminating your path, a reminder of the fragility and wonder of life. What would this cosmic event symbolize for you? And how might it inspire the legacy of future generations? So what if Jupiter became a second sun? Would we rise to the occasion, or would we falter in the face of such monumental change? As we contemplate these possibilities, let us reflect on what it means to be part of this universe and our response. As we conclude this journey of imagination, consider sharing your thoughts. If Jupiter was indeed transformed into a second star, how would you envision our world adapting? Engage with us below. Your insights could light the way for the stories yet to be told.